my friends, today I will show you 5 ways how you can throw any shuriken. So, let's get started. So first way that ninja or samurai were using, it's gonna be overhand throwing with a pinch grip. Actually today we're gonna be using same grip for all the ways. So like I said, first one, it's gonna be overhand and you're gonna grab your shuriken like this. If it's gonna be bigger, it could be lower on some of those edges, and if it's gonna be smaller one, it could be closer to the middle. Right after, you're gonna aim on your target, which one you choose. You will pull your arm to the back and let the shuriken release naturally out of your hand. It's very similar like if you are coming from knife throwing, it's gonna be same like your half spin, full spin is the safe movement. So don't put so much pressure on the edge of the shuriken, otherwise you're not gonna hit your target well. It's gonna be the smooth release. So let's see a few examples. And if you are throwing shurikens, I would recommend to go with the soft targets, but if you have good shurikens like this uni by the H-Jet, they're going to stick really no problem even into the oak target. All right, so let's see for a few more angles and throws also from longer distances. So as you can see guys, even on longer distances, the last one was actually about 15 meters or more, and I stick 3 in a row. So the consistency is even on longer distances. The overhand throw was actually the most popular for ninjas, samurai, 100% for me as well. And like I said, you can throw it any shuriken with this technique, but there is huge difference if you're gonna use the bigger one compare the smaller one. So I will show you just little comparison on the wood right now. So look at that guys, now you can clearly see we have the penetration with both tips, so it would be actually better if I would throw it just with 1 point. So as you can see, so I will redo this one, but we're gonna check it out right after. So let's see the first one, the cheap shuriken. Actually not that bad, the penetration it's about this. On the small one not so bad, as you can see the overhand technique working really nice, but this one, wow, so about like this. But like I said, I will try to throw it again. So remember the previous penetration from the smaller one, and let's see if I will hit it just with the 1 point. So actually I hit the tougher target, so this is even more interesting comparison because this is oak. So look at that, about like this. Wow, very interesting. And if I will hit the soft wood, wow, look at that. You see the huge difference guys? Like I said before, if you are throwing, definitely use the softer targets because there is a huge difference in the penetration. So this is more like with the flash, so look at that. Woo! Very huge difference. Wow, effort definitely several inches. So the second technique now that we're gonna try, it's actually be my second favorite, and it's the side arm throw. So let's check it out. And if you can throw really well overhand, the side arm is gonna be really easy for you guys. Same grip like before, but this time it's more like a frisbee. So you will pull your arm to the side and just let it go about in this moment, and Shuriken will do the job for you. It's so easy. So like before, let's see a few examples. Sidearm technique, it's also very effective, and they use it if they wanted to, for example, reach like behind the wall or behind the door. But for me, definitely overhand is still winning. But the third way is if you were running from the enemy and you want to throw it like this. So the backhand throw is the third way. Let's see the examples, because the grip, it's totally same like before. Just throw it behind your back if you are fleeing from the target. Fourth way that you can try with the Shuriken, it's the underhand throw. This time it's a little bit my favorite, if I will use the pinch grip as well, but a little bit more to the center. Right after that, pulling my arm to the back, and I want to twirl it like this into the target. Exactly this movement forward. The more you pull arm to the back, the more advantage will give you, and also more force, and you can whip it very nicely into the target. So let's check it out. Last but not least technique that you can try with the Shuriken is gonna be the no reload. You can actually use any angle that you have seen today. Overhand, sidearm, backhand, underhand. All of them can be applied for the no reload throwing. So it's really up to you which combos you can create. Of course you can use both hands, but if you're a total beginner, I would definitely try from the beginning only with two, because they are very pointy and you can easily stab yourself. I already did it today at least twice. So definitely be careful. So don't rush anywhere and just start it with two, like I said. Overhand technique gonna be, I think, the best if you are just starting. So like before, you are aiming, pulling your arm to the back, but this time the thumb is pressing on the other Shuriken. So first you have to let the release the one Shuriken, and right after the second one. You can also have more Shurikens if you can handle it, but like I said, that's also for more advanced throwers. All right, so let's check it out. So guys, as you were able to see today, there are several really cool techniques that you can try with the Shuriken, but my favorite one is definitely the overhand. So let me know in the comment section below which way was your favorite that you have seen today, and also if you want to support the channel, there's going to be a link for these awesome Shurikens by the Ace-Jet. But for today, that's it. So thank you everybody for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.